you must study in the United States with a fully funded offer, then this is one of the videos that you must watch right now. Because in this video, we are going to be talking about this fully funded scholarship that all nationals can apply to, and this scholarship is actually ongoing right now. Okay, there are different methods to scholarship when it's come to applying. Okay, so I want you to stick around so that you can get better understanding of this scholarship, because they have a lot of benefit that you can enjoy if you watch this video to the very end. Note, if you are not interested in the United States, then you might just skip this video and go to the next. Now, this fully funded scholarship is going to be giving you everything you need to know, because or you need to have. They are going to be giving you your tuition fee. They are going to be paying for. They will cover all your tuition fee and other expenses that you are going to incur. They will provide a room for you. You will also have access to the board and also some book allowance. They will be giving you transport and many other allowances, so that you have a more better life and so that you can also focus on your study. Note, you cannot just go ahead to go and apply to this scholarship if you don't have better understanding on how or the criteria that this scholarship will be used to select those people that are qualified. Okay, so one thing I want us to look at is that what are the selection criteria that this scholarship is going to be using. First, if you must be selected for this scholarship, then you must have an outstanding academic record in your high school, which means you have a very good grade and you finish your high school with a very good grade, right? Second one is that you must demonstrate a leadership ability, such by participating in some extracurriculum activities, and you have a good maybe recommendation or some appraisal that was given to you just to show that you participated in those extracurricular activities and you were recognized for them. You also need some expression of exceptional personal success skill, which shows that you actually know what you are doing when you are in school, right? Okay, so once you meet all these criteria, or you meet all these options, all this selection criteria, then we can now proceed to look at the eligibility requirements. Okay, you cannot do without checking the eligibility requirement before you actually go ahead to apply for any program. Note that if you must apply to this scholarship, then you must file your application before the deadline, which is September, right? Which is 15th of September. This is a scholarship that just started and that just opened on the 15th of July. Okay, so I think we are some days away now. I think we are 5 days behind 9, because I think today is 20th or so. Okay, so you want to make sure you rush now before people fill up those websites and there's no more offer for you right there. Okay, now what is the name of this scholarship? This is the GATE scholarship. The GATE scholarship. One thing you also need to know is that if you must apply online through the online application portal. And if you want to apply, we are going to be looking at what are the things you need to apply. How can you successfully apply to this scholarship? Note that if you are not out of high school, it will not be advisable for you to go ahead and apply right now to this scholarship. You must either make sure you have your high school certificate, or you are a citizen or national or someone with permanent residence in the United States. You have a good academic standing with a minimum cumulative of 3.3. Someone actually messaged me yesterday from Ethiopia, and he said he have 4.0 or 4.0 scale. That is genius. Okay, someone like that should actually apply to this scholarship, right? Okay, So if you must apply, then you must be ready to take a full-time program. I'll always tell you on this channel that if you must get a study permit to migrate, then you don't need to look at part-time program. Your visa will not be granted, right? So if you must get the offer and be able to migrate, always look at full-time program. Even if it is a 1 year program, look into it and apply. Okay, so any program from 8 months, 9 months, they are considered as a 1 year program, right? So make sure you put that into consideration. And if you've meet all these requirements and you think you are set and ready to go, then we can now go to the next step, which is to start the application. Note that if you must apply, this is a scholarship that valid for just 4 years only. Okay, so if you must apply, it will cover your expenses for only 4 years. Also, you cannot just apply to this scholarship if you are not undergoing a bachelor program, right? Because this is a scholarship that focus more on the bachelor degree seekers, and this is actually a big Gates scholarship, right? But they call it the Gates scholarship. This is majorly for those students who want to undertake their bachelor from United States on a fully funded scholarship are encouraged to apply. Students can avail this scholarship in any college or university in US by admission in an undergraduate degree, which means this scholarship is available to more than just one college or one university. Okay, so that is one important information that you must get. So I know some people will have jumped off to go and click on this link to come and get the official website link, right? Always pay attention, please. If you must get this scholarship is not attached to a single school or is not restricted to a single school, but more than one schools in the United States. Okay, so it will only be available if you want to start your program soon. I want you to also know that the full financial scholarship to attend any US college or university with leadership development opportunity is a scholarship that has started since 1991, and they just reopen it now for this year batch, right? So if we come to the official, okay, let me go back. If you scroll down to this last session here, you are going to see the apply link, then you are going to see the official link. So there are two links there, so make sure you click, or you can just click on the official link. It will bring you here, and on this page it shows that this scholarship was open on the 15th of July. So that's like 5 days back, right? And you see it here, it says the status of this scholarship is open, which means it's available, and the deadline is 15th of September. So if you must make sure that you get this scholarship, you want to make sure you apply right now. So once you come across this video, digest the information and jump straight to this website to start your application immediately. Okay, if you look at this section here, it says scholars will receive funding for the full cost of attendance that is not already covered by other financial aid and expected family contribution. So most time when you are filing an application, they will tell you to upload a letter of support. When you see that section, please always ignore it most time, because if you don't check what some things that are attached behind the scene, that is why you might not get the scholarship. Okay, because when they see that you have a support or a sponsor, or you have a sponsorship letter telling them that they are ready to contribute to your education, you will not get the scholarship. Okay, so most time you have to let them know you are from a very the background that So by the free application for federal student aid, that's the FAFSA. FAFSA is one of the financial aid for students in the United States, right? Cost of attendance include the tuition fee, room, board, books, transportation, and many other. So those are the information we've actually seen. I'm just showing you that these are the information I picked for you from the official website, right? Okay, so that's everything you see here. And if you want to start your application, you have to click on this if you've created your account. But if you've not created your account, you have to click on this start profile. When you click on start profile, it will bring you to this page where you can easily create your account. And here it says start your the GATE scholarship profile. Connect with the GATE scholarship team. Learn about future volunteer opportunities and more. Already have an account, sign in. Because you don't have an account before, so what you want to do right now is to fill in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, then your role. Okay, so under this row, what you want to make sure you select is student. Please don't do mistake. And under class level, then you want to make sure you click on the correct one. So if you look at it here, it says high school. Okay, let come back here. High school senior, college freshman, college sophomore, college junior, college senior, first year masters, first year doctorate, third year doctorate, high school junior. So you want to click the high school senior, then you want to put in your email address, then you click a password, then you put a password. So I'm going to pause this right now, then I will fill in this information, then I will click on the create button so that we see what we have behind the scene. So right now I fill up the information, then I want to click on create account right now. So when I hit that up, I'll wait for it to load up. Okay, so now it says I've created, so I'm going to save this password that I've created my password, and it said thank you for creating your account. We have sent you an email with instruction on how to reset your password. If you do not receive an email from us within the next couple of minutes, please check your spam or junk. Okay, so once you get to this stage, what you want to do right now is to go to your email address and go and confirm the email that has been sent to you. Okay, so once you send they sent you the email, then you can now come back here, or if you can't find this link, just come to this official link again. This official link, click on it again. It will bring you to this page back. Then you click on sign in. Yes, click on sign in. Good. So once you click on sign in, then put in the email, put in the password, click on sign in, then you can now continue with the application from there. Okay, so I hope this is helpful enough, and this is where I'm going to leave you to this so that you can proceed with other steps of the scholarship application. Make sure before you start the process, look for schools that you know that you are interested in, right? Okay, so maybe I need to make the second version of this video where we now submit the application for this scholarship. Okay, so this video is just to let you know about this particular scholarship. Okay, so if you want me to no, I think no need for that. Just go ahead and do the scholarship yourself. So those in the membership group, I'm going to do the video and send it to them. Okay, I'll catch up with you in another one. Peace.